In this session, we are going to discuss very briefly the English vowels. In order to proceed further on this course on phonetics and phonology, we need to know some background knowledge of English sounds. Okay, as we have discussed that human speech sounds are at broader level divided into two major categories. One is vowels and the second is consonants. Okay, so English vowels are, it is said that the RP accent, the BBC English has 44 sounds, right? Out of these 44 sounds, we have 20 vowels, right? And 24 are consonants, okay? Out of 20 vowels, we have 12 pure vowels, 8 diphthongs, right? And 24, of course, consonants, okay? Pure vowels are basically the vowels which are constant, which under certain context do not change, okay? There is no movement or there is no glide. Such vowels are called pure vowels. So there are 12 pure vowels in English, 7 are short vowels, and 5 are long vowels, okay? This is one division which is made on the basis of length. And remember that for showing length, we have the colon symbol, right? The 2 dots vertically written, okay? All right, short vowels. One is a sound, pet, like in word pet, okay? Then we have a sound like pet, okay? A sound. Then we have a sound like pat, a, okay? That's also a short sound. Then a sound like in pat or cut, all right? Then we have o sound like pot, o, right? Got or sought, right? Then we have o sound in words like put or could or should, right? So this is a short vowel, all right? And then we have schwa sound, which is one of the very frequently taking place sound in English, a sound, okay? Another. It's taking place at both ends of the word, another, not only in the beginning but also at the end. And words in English like which are ending with er sound, like sister, father, mother, right? These words have this schwa sound at the end. So these 7 are the short vowels of English. Then we have long vowels, and as I mentioned, that there is the colon, the 2 vertical dots, which show the length of the vowel, the length of the vowel, okay? So these are long vowels. The first is E in words like been or seen, okay? Then we have A, right? In words like barn or calm, right? Or farm. Then we have O, right? Half-rounded O, like in pawn or corn, right? Or horse. So that's also a long vowel sound, all right? And then we have oo sound, oo, which is the close sound, and it's a back sound. As discussed earlier, the tongue is very close to the roof of the mouth, and it is pronounced from the back part of the tongue, right? The back part of the tongue is raised towards the roof of the mouth, all right? So this is oo sound, like in boon or spoon, right? Or cool, right? So this is also one of the long vowels of English. And then we have a sound, like in burn. It's again a long vowel. Burn, like in purse or nurse, curse. So this is the 5th long vowel of English. And these 5 are the long vowels. We have discussed the pure vowels of English so far. There are 12 pure vowels, 7 are short, and 5 are long, right? So these are the vowels, and we are going to discuss the English diphthongs in the next session.